Dric developed refrigeration and air condition industries equipment. Dric is one of the major companies in the field of refrigeration and air conditioning. Our factory started production in 1990. We provide high-quality and efficient industrial products using advanced technologies. Also, we provide after-sales services to extend the products' life with the same efficiency as our highly qualified workers. Our products: air, water-cooled chillers, process cooling chill, central air conditioning units DX split and package unit, fan coils, air handling units, cooling towers, electric and control room panels, water dispensers.